Hello guys, my name is Radolf and I welcome you to this video tutorial. Now in the previous tutorial we were able to make a nice welcome program using the graphical user interface, some options over there. So as the user enters the name, it goes and gives the person a nice welcome inside a very nice dialog box. Okay, so now in this tutorial what we are doing is we are still on the graphic user interface, and this time around we are going to learn how to add numbers into that and also printing them out. So we are going to do a program that will accept two numbers and is going to add them up and print them out. So now the first thing you have to know is JOptionPane.show input dialog does not take numbers. So let's continue and do something like string. Then this is my first string. I will name it fn. So I have a variable fn and I'm setting it equals JOptionPane.show input dialog, because this time around I want to accept input, so show input dialog. Now what I'll do is I'll just tell the user using the application to enter a number, just like that. And alright, JOptionPane. Alright, so I'll just copy this and I will paste it down there. Control C, Control V. Very nice one. So I'll change this to SN, which is going to stand for second number. So I'll just allow the user to enter another number. So I'll tell the user enter another number. Alright, so right now when I run this program, what will happen? I'll just go to run file and we are going to see something like something in the dialog saying enter a number. So I'll just enter 1, enter another number. So this is all what we've done. I'll enter 3, and when I hit enter, nothing happens because we didn't do anything apart from those stuffs. Okay, so right now what we want to do is, now since JOptionPane.show input dialog does not accept numbers, but this time around we want the user to enter numbers, there's something we have to do. Now what we want to do is we have to convert a variable, which is a number, to a string so that that can accept. I mean, we are converting a string, this variable string, these two variables, they are strings, and we are going to convert them into integers. Okay, so I'll create another variable called int number1 and I'll set it equals integer dot parse int. Okay, like so. And now I'm just going to keep in my variable that I want to convert. So right now I just want to convert my first number, so I'll type in fn. Alright, so right now my fn has been converted to a number. So right now when I type in a number, it will just go and fix this variable over here, which is a string. Okay, so right now what I'll do is I'll also convert the second one. So I'll just copy that and come and paste that over here. And what I'll do is I'll change this to number 2 and I'll change this to second number as well. Alright, so right now I have these things over there. Right now I just want to output what I have done, so I'll just type JOptionPane.show message as we did in the previous tutorial dialog. Alright, now remember, which is centering the whole thing, and I'll just output something like I'll say first number and second number is, then I'll add something like a plus sum. Okay, so now this sum is unknown, So what I'll do is I'll just create a variable called int sum. And what is this int sum doing? What this sum is doing is it's adding number 1 plus number 2. That's all that sum is doing over there. So after I show this message in a dialog box, it will just come and say first number and second number is the sum. And what is the sum? The sum is just adding number 1 and number 2 over here, which we have converted these strings to those numbers. Alright, so let's run this program. I'll just go to run file, and here I go enter a number. So my first number is going to be 1. I'll hit OK or enter, and enter another number, my favorite number 3. Okay, and right now what it's saying is first number and second number is 4. Okay, so that's the GUI component. It's very cool, so just keep trying it out, and I'll just stop over here with this tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial, hopefully. Bye bye.